Welcome back friends. Previously in this chapter we solved example related to surface area of a cube, cuboid and cylinder. Okay. Today we will solve exercise 11.3 with question number 1 to 6. Okay, so here first question. There are two cuboidal boxes as shown in figure. Two boxes are given. Which box require lesser amount of material to make? We need to make this box with some material and we need to make this box with some material. So we need to find which box require lesser material. For that we need to find the surface area of each box. Now you can see this is 50 centimeter, 50 centimeter and 50 centimeter. So that is what? Cube. So we need to find surface area of this cube. And here this is 60 centimeter, this is 40 and this is 50. So this one is L, B, H and H. So here we need to find the surface area of a cuboid. So we can write for cuboid L is 60 centimeter, B is 40 centimeter and height is 50 centimeter. So surface area of cuboid is equal to 2 inside the bracket LB plus BH plus HH. L is 60 multiply 40 plus 40 multiply 50 plus 50 multiply 60. So it is 2400, 2000 plus 3000. So here 7,400, so it is 14800 centimeters square. So that is surface area of first box. Now for cube, we need only length, so that is 50 centimeter. So surface area of cube is 6L square. 6L means 50 square. So it is 2500. So multiply 25 with 6. So that is 15000 centimeter square. This is the surface area of the second box and this is the surface area of the first box. So which box requires less amount of material? Box A. So we can write here box A require less amount of material to make. Clear? Now next one. A suitcase with the measure 80 cm, 48 cm and 24 cm is to be covered with the turpentine cloth. How many meters of turpentine of width 96 cm is required to cover 100 such suitcase? So here measurement of suitcase is given 80 cm, 48 cm and 24 cm. So first we need to find the surface area of a suitcase because we need to cover that suitcase with the cloth. So if we find the surface area, then we get how much area is required to cover the suitcase. So let's find the surface area of a suitcase. For that length is 80 cm, breadth is 48 cm and height is 24 cm. So we can write total surface area of suitcase is equal to 2 inside the bracket LB plus BH plus HL. So here length is 80, breadth is 40 plus 48 multiply 24 plus 24 multiply 8. So here that is 3840. Now 48 multiplied with 24. So that is 1152 plus 1920. So now add this 2 plus 5 7 plus 4 11. Is 6912. So that is 13,824 centimeters square. That is the surface area for one suitcase. It means we need to have a cloth which has area 13,824. Now cloth is, which is given 96. We know that cloth is a rectangle, so we can write area of rectangular cloth. What is the equation for an area of a rectangle? That is length multiplied breadth, or you can say length multiplied width. But here, how much area we require? That is 13,824. It means area of cloth must be 13,824 to cover this. But this is the surface area for one suitcase. So here we need to find surface area of 100 suitcases. That is, multiply this with 100. Multiply 100, so it is 1382400. So this must be the surface area of a cloth. Length we need to find. Width is given 96. Now take 96 in a divide. So L is equal to 1382400 divide 96. So here you will get 14400 centimeter. This is the length of cloth. So convert this into meter. It is 144 meter. This much length of the cloth is required to cover 100 suitcases, in which one suitcase has surface area 13,824 centimeter square. Now next example. Find the side of cube with surface area 600 centimeters square. This kind of equation can be asked for MCQ. So here surface area for a cube is given and you need to find side. So what is the equation for a surface area of a cube? Surface area of cube equation is 6L square. But here in a question we need to find side and surface area is given. So here we need to write 600 6L square. Now take 6 in a divide. 600 divided 6 is equal to L square. So 100 is equal to L square. Now 100 means it is a 10 square. So 10 square is equal to L square. So L is 10 centimeter. So side of the cube is 10 centimeter. Clear? Now next one. Ruxar painted the outside of cabinet with measure 1 meter, 2 meter and 1.5 meter. How much surface area did she cover if she paint all except the bottom of the cabinet? Now what is the shape of this cabinet? 3 measurements are given. It means it is a cuboid. Bottom is not covered, so length, breadth and height. So here we need to write the equation. Surface area, let's say length is 1 meter, breadth is 2 meter and height is 1.5 meter. Now surface area except bottom of cabinet. What will be the equation? Here we need to write this side, that is breadth and height. So BH. Now we need to cover this side and this side. So 2BH plus front side, that is LH. Also back side is also LH. And top surface is LB. We need to not consider the bottom surface. Now we need to write the values 2. Why I write it here 2? Because we need to cover left and right surfaces both. So if this one is height and this one is base, that is BH. So this is also BH. Same front side is LH, so back side is also LH, so 2LH, and LB, that is only top surface. Now B, that is 2, H is 1.5, L is 1 and H is 1.5, L is 1 and B is 2. Now 6 plus 3 plus 2, so that is 11 meter square. So this is the area that need to be painted except bottom of the cabinet. Now next question. Daniel is painting the walls and the ceiling of the cuboidal hall with the length, breadth and height of 15 meter, 10 meter and 7 meter respectively. From each can of paint, 100 meter square of area is painted. How many cans of paint will she need to paint the room? So here in a question you can see the length, breadth and height of the room is given. This is same as the previous one because only she covered walls and a ceiling. So bottom surface we need to exclude. So if we consider this as a room, then we need to cover 4 walls and 1 ceiling. Bottom surface is not considered in a paint. So length is 15 meter, breadth is 10 meter and height is 7 meter. This is L, B and H. So we can write surface area of a room need to paint, that is, what will be the equation? So here this one is HB plus front surface and back surface, that is 2HL plus top surface, that is LB. Now write the value. So here 2H is 7 and B is 10 plus 2H is 7, L is 15 and L is 15, B is 10. So here 140 plus 210 plus 150. So that will give 800 meters. Now in a one can 100 meter square area is painted, and how many area we need to paint? That is 800. This is 500. So in one can it is 100 meter square area covered. So to cover 500 meter square area, we need to have 500 divided 100, that is 5 cans. In one can 100 meter square area is covered. So to cover 500 meter square area, we need 5 cans. Now next question. Describe how two figures are at the right are like and how they are different. Which box has the larger lateral surface area? These two figures are given and you need to write what is the similarity and what is the dissimilarity. So we can write similarity. That is, the height of both figure is same. So height is, and dissimilarity, that is, one is a cube and one is cylinder. Now, next question is find the lateral surface area and we need to compare whose lateral surface area is more. So let's find the lateral surface area for a cylinder. Now in a cylinder, diameter is given 7 cm. So radius will be 7 by 2 and height So we can write lateral surface area of a cylinder, it is 2 pi r h. What is the equation? It is 2 pi r h because we are considering the lateral surface. 2 pi is 22 by 7, radius we find 7 by 2 and height is also 7. So we can cancel out this, 2 will be cancelled, so it is 154 centimeter square. Now lateral surface area of a cube. So here we can write lateral surface means only for the four sides. So lateral surface area of so 4L, here L will be 7 centimeter. So 4, 7 square, 49. 196 centimeters square. So lateral surface area for a cylinder is 154 centimeters square and lateral surface area for a cube is 196 centimeters square with the same height. So which has a larger surface area? So cube has larger lateral surface area. Now here two questions are given that you need to solve in homework. This one is simple. You need to only find the right equation for a surface area of a cylinder, curved surface area of a cylinder. But for this, the question is what the radius of two cylinders are 2:3 and heights are 5:3. Calculate the ratio of curved surface area. So for a first surface area, you need to take, for a first cylinder, take radius 2 and height 5. Then for second cylinder, take radius 3 and height 3. Find both surface area and find the ratio. So that will give the answer.